one reason people sometimes are reluctant to hire an attorney or even speak to an attorney about their personal injury claim is if I hire an attorney, that means lawsuit, that means it's going to go to court. And I just want to say that that's not necessarily the case, and more likely than not, it is not the case. I'm attorney Keith Conkle, personal injury lawyer out of Naples, Florida. I'm going to address today whether or not your personal injury claim will likely or likely not go to court. I just want to say, first of all, most personal injury claims actually settle outside of court. So if you're worried about, well, if I get an attorney or I'm going to end up in court, not necessarily. Fact is, you might could argue that it'd be less likely that you go to court. It just depends. But overwhelmingly, personal injury claims don't go to court. Fact is, most of them are settled prior to going to court, and many of them are settled prior to even a filing of a lawsuit. Upwards to 95% of all claims settle outside of court. Again, let me say it again. Upwards to 95% of all personal injury claims settle outside of going to court. So don't be like, I'm not going to get an attorney, or I'm not even going to talk to one. I'm not even going to have a free consultation because I'm going to end up in court. No, the fact is, it's highly likely, it's possible, that the exact opposite might be true. In other words, the insurance adjuster might mess around with you more, might think they can take advantage of you more, might make it to where you're forced down the road to possibly go to court if you don't get an attorney right away. So this is just a possibility. None of it's sure. I know every situation's different, but these are possibilities that you need to consider. Many claims can be negotiated and resolved even without a lawsuit being filed. I would encourage you to get the help of an attorney. Doesn't have to be me. Can be any attorney, even if it's a free consultation. You don't end up hiring them. Get the help of an attorney. And by the way, everything I'm mentioning to you on this video is not legal advice. It certainly does not substitute for consulting with an attorney. But I would just like to say, for those of you who are concerned, I've got, you're injured, you got a personal injury claim. Is this going to go to court? I would say there's an extremely likely chance it will not go to court, and it will settle outside of court. As long as they're giving you a fair offer, that's a good thing. That saves both sides a lot of time, effort, and perhaps heartache and patience and suffering. However, don't be afraid of fighting them. And when you reach out, and sometimes if they know you have an attorney, they know you're willing to fight, and sometimes you'll get a better result. All right? My phone number is 239-269-3587. I'm always happy to answer questions and concerns. You can also email me at keith@conklelawfirm.com. I have a YouTube channel. You can go there and find more videos. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all kinds of social media platforms where you can reach out to me, and there's ways to contact me. I wish you the very best, and I hope you get feeling better soon and recover quickly from your injuries. Thank you. Have a great day.